Namaste to all of you. This is the permutations combinations class 7th. Okay, just one time I will revise the things till now what we completed. Now present we are discussing about the linear permutations. Linear permutations that too given n things are n different things. Given n different things. Okay, if the n different things are given, we are discussing about the linear permutations. That too, if the given things are n different things, even in this n different things also, first case we discuss about the without a repetition. First we discuss about the without repetition, and the next one we discuss about the with repetition. Okay, next one we discuss about the with repetition. Already this is also completed and these permutations also completed. Now today I will discuss the next concept. Okay, for example, n things are given. Out of these n things, if p things are similar, then how many ways we can arrange them? Like this. If the bit is like this, Ramana, find the number of arrangements. With the help of all letters, by using the word Ramana, if they given like this. Okay, so in this Ramana word, how many R's are there? 1 is there. How many A's are there? 3 A's are there. How many M's are there? 1. How many N's are there? 1. Means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 things are given. But out of these 6 things, these 3 things are similar. Like that. So if the similar kind of things are there, then how many ways we can arrange them? Here the formula. Now we will discuss that formula also. They given n things. Out of these n things, p things are similar things. In general, if n things are different things, in how many ways we can arrange these n things? N factorial ways. Okay, here n things can be arranged in npn ways. Okay, already we know this one. Then npn means nothing but n factorial. But here, out of these p things are similar. When you are arranging these p similar things, you will get one permutation only. But you counted here differently. That too here, according to multiplication principle, we are taking into between them. So here we have to divide. Therefore, if p things are similar, out of n things, then permutations is given by n factorial by p factorial. This is the formula. Okay, so here the basic formula is, if they given n things, out of these n things, p things are similar things. If you feel n things are different, how many permutations we can form? N factorial. This concept already we given. But out of these n things, p things are similar. They never form different kinds of permutations. Okay, so with the help of p factorial we have to divide. Then you will get the total number of the original permutations from the given n things out of which p things are similar. Just like here I given RAMANA, Ramana. How many letters are there here? If you observe here, Ramana. Ramana is the word. In this Ramana word, how many letters are there total? 6 letters are there. In general, 6 letters. How many ways we can arrange them? In general, 6 factorial. But here if you interchange these 3 A's, A here, E here, and this A here, this A here, can we get any different arrangement? No, same arrangement we can get it. So here similar things are there, na? 3 similar things. Therefore, the total number of permutations equals to this one. So here the basic formula you have to remember as one point. The number of permutations formed by n things out of which p things are similar is given by n factorial by p factorial. This is the basic formula. The number of permutations formed by n things out of which p things are similar is given by n factorial by p factorial. Okay, I can extend this property to higher also. Higher means, for example, n things are there. Out of these n things, p things are similar of one kind, q things are similar of second kind. Then number of permutations equals to, then in this case number of permutations equals to n factorial by p factorial q factorial, like this. Only here you have to remember, out of n how many similar things are there, that much number of factorial you have to divide. Okay, not only one similar kind, if the second similar kind is also there, with the help of this one also you have to divide. Few examples I will give, you can understand very easily. How many ways we can find the number of arrangements? Here the bit is, find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word. First word here they given mathematics. If they given like this, how many ways we can arrange the letters of the word mathematics? So first of all here answer for this one. Just one time cross check. How many letters are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So 11 factorial by in this word how many m's are there? 2 m's are there. How many a's are there? 2 a's are there. How many t's are there? 2 t's are there. How many h's are there? H value only 1 is there. How many e is there? Only 1. How many I is there? 1. How many C is there? 1. How many S is there? 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 factorial by similarities. How many similar things are there? 2 M's are there, so 2 factorial. 2 A's are there, so 2 factorial. 2 T's are there, 2 factorial. That's it. This is the total number of arrangements of the word mathematics. Okay. One more example also I will give. Here the example is, find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word. Here the word is singing. If they given SINGING, if they given like this, find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word singing. How many ways we can arrange them? Same here also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 letters are there, so 7 factorial by similarities you can cross check. S 1 time not required. I how many times came? 2 times came, so 2 factorial here. N 2 times came, so 2 factorial. G 2 times came, 2 factorial. That's it. Okay. Next one more example. How many ways one more example here it is. How many ways we can arrange the letters of the word Mississippi if they given like this? Mississippi if they given like this. How many ways you can arrange the letters of the word Mississippi? Count it here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 letters are there. So total number of arrangements equal to, here write down, total number of arrangements equal to 11 factorial by m occurs how many times? Only one time, leave it. I occurs 1 2 3 4 times, so 4 factorial. S occurs how many times? 1 2 3 4 times, so 4 factorial. P occurs how many times? 2 times, so 2 factorial. So these are the total number of permutations formed by using the letters of the word Mississippi. So whenever the n things you are arranging, out of these n things, if the p things are similar of one kind is there, q things are similar things of second kind is there, r things of similar of the another kind is there, and rest are the different, then how many ways you can arrange these n things, mom? N factorial by p factorial, q factorial, r factorial, like this. Okay, next with one more example in detail we will discuss regarding this. Here they given one example is there. Here how they given now, find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word a power 4 b cube c power 5. Okay, in its expanded form, find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word a power 4 b cube c power 5 in its expanded. Expanded means a 4 times, b 3 times, next c like this. So how many ways you can arrange them? So cross check one time. How many letters are there? 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12. So automatically 12 factorial by a occurs 4 times na 4 factorial, b occurs 3 times na 3 factorial, c occurs how many times? 5 times, so 5 factorial. So this is the total number of ways of arranging the letters of the word a power 4 b cube c power 5 in its expanded form. Expanded form is this one. Okay, these are the bits. Now one more example I will give. Okay, here one example is given like this. In how many ways, here the example is, in how many ways the letters of the word cheese, in how many ways all the letters of the word cheese be arranged so that here it is a bit, so that no two is come together. No two is come together. No two is come together. This is the bit. Okay, listen all of you. Here the bit is, in how many ways the letters of the word cheese be arranged so that no two is come together. First of all, if you observe, given word is cheese, cheese. So here this is different letter, this is different letter, and this is different letter, and these three are the similar things. That too, here how many letters are there? 6 letters are there here. If you count them, 1 2 3 4 5 6 letters are there, and 3 are similar things are there. Out of these 6 letters means 6 things, 3 letters are similar things. How many ways we can arrange? According to given data, no two is come together. In the beginning only I told you, no two things come together. Whenever if you observe no two things come together, immediately separate them. By separating them, first we have to arrange the rest of the things. So here no two is come together, first separate them. So here first arrange, listen all of you, first arrange C comma H comma S in how many ways? In 3 factorial ways, means 3p3 means 3 factorial ways. For example, letter 1, letter 2, letter 3, like this you arranged. 3p3, 3 factorial ways. Our work is not completed. By arranging like this, here how many gaps you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, here no two e's come together. Na? First you separated e's. By separating e's, you arrange the rest of the letters. By arranging the rest of the letters, now you will get the gaps. In these gaps, you have to arrange the separated e's. Then automatically, no two e's come together, arrangement we can get. So here 4 gaps are there. So 4 gaps can be filled by 3 is in how many ways in general? In 4p3. But similar is by 3 factorial ways. Don't forget this value by 3 factorial, since they are the similar. So therefore number of total arrangements equal to, therefore total in number is equal to, total number equals to how many? 3 factorial into 4p3 by 3 factorial, which implies 4p3. 4p3 means nothing but 4 factorial, which is equals to 24 is the value. So whenever the things not come together means separate them, arrange the rest of the things. By arranging the rest of the things, you will get the gaps. In the gaps, what you separate the things, we have to arrange. Since here, why I am writing here 3 factorial? Since the separate things are similar kind of things. Due to that, I am writing by 3 factorial is the value. Okay. One more example. Here the bit is, one example here they given. Find the number of 5-digit numbers, by using the digits 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. This is the bit. Okay. So here find the number of the 5-digit numbers by using the digits 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. So 5-digit numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gaps I can take it. Now here if you observe, our total 5-digit numbers, what is the possibility here? Starts with maybe 1 or 2 or 3. This is the classification only now. If you observe, with the help of the given digits, our all 5-digit numbers, what is the possibility? Maybe our 5-digit number starts with 1 or starts with 2 or starts with 3. This is the chance. Okay, can I fill here 0? Start with 0? No. If I fill 0 here, that is not the 5-digit number. That is under the case of the 4-digit number. So I exclude that case. Now, first I am taking with starts with 1. So 1 fix here. If I fix 1 here, then how many remaining values? 0, 1, 2, 3. All are different now. And remaining how many gaps are there here? 4 gaps are there. And 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 different numbers are there. So these 4 gaps filled by in how many ways? 4p4, which is equals to 4 factorial ways. One work is finished. Next, 5-digit numbers starts with 2. Okay, this is the second classification. So in this also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gaps you can take it like this. By taking the 5 gaps here like this, starts with 2, fix here 2. If I fix here 2, 2 cancel. Then what are the remaining digits? 0, 1, 1, 3. How many? 4 things are there, 4 gaps are there. But here out of these 4 things, 2 similar things are there. So after fixing 2 here, since here we are taking the classification 5-digit number starts with 2. Remaining 4 gaps filled by in how many ways? 4 gaps filled by 4p4 by 2 factorial. Why I taken here 2 factorial? Since 2 ones are there similar things. So which is equals to 4 factorial by 2 factorial. Last category, 5 distant numbers starts with 3. How many you can get? Tell me here also. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Starts with 3 means fix here 3. If you fix 3 here, then how many remaining digits are there? 0, 1, 1, 2, 4 digits are there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 gaps are there. How I can fill again? 4 gaps filled by in how many ways? 4p4 by 2 factorial. Why I am taking 2 factorial? Similar things are there. Ways is the value. Therefore, total 5 digited numbers equal to, in the first case, how many we get here? 4 factorial. Work is completed. Plus 4 factorial by 2 factorial plus 4 factorial by 2 factorial. 4 factorial means 24 plus, here it is value 12 plus 12, which is equals to 48. 5 distant numbers we can form with the help of the given digits 0, 1, 1, 2, 3 is the value. This is the one more example basing on the dates. Okay. Next, you can try yourself. One example I am giving. You can try yourself basing on this only. The example is, find the number of 5 distant number. Find the number of the 5 distant numbers using the digits 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Try yourself this bit. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. Today, one more example also I will explain basing on this. Okay, listen. Here the example is, next example this one. Find the number of ways of arranging letters of the word specific. Okay, find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word specific. Okay, after that, in how many of them, here one bit is given, in how many of them. First bit, the two C's come together. The two C's come together. This is the one bit. The two C's come together. This is the first bit. Second bit is, the two I's do not come together. The two I's do not come together. This is the bit. Okay, listen all of you. Here the bit is, find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word specific. Till there one bit. In how many of them the two C's come together, one bit. The two I's do not come together. Listen here. First of all, here given word is specific. First write down specific. In this word, how many S are there? 1. S are there? 1. How many P values are there? 1. How many E values are there? 1. How many C's are there? 2. How many I's are there? 2. How many F's are there? 1. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8 letters are there. Classification. Out of these 8 letters, 2 similar things of C, 2 similar things of I are there. First we can find the number of arrangements. How many arrangements we can do? First of all, number of arrangements equal to 8 factorial by 2 similar things, 2 factorial like this. So first of all, this is the total number of arrangements. Now we will discuss about the first bit A. When you are discussing the first bit A, here you have to understand one thing. The two C's come together. Already the same concept before also I told you. Whenever the things come together, immediately those things which are come together, you have to taken them as the one unit. So here two C's you can taken as the one unit. Now here how many remaining letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 remaining letters, 1 unit of C. How many units are there? 7 units are there. These 7 units can be arranged in 7p 7 ways into 7p 7 into means 7 factorial into. That too here 2 i's are there na, by 2 factorial means total you will get 7 factorial by 2 factorial. Now the two C's come together na. Now can we do any internal arrangement between C's? No. If you interchange C's, okay, you can get one arrangement only. Otherwise you can write into 2 factorial by 2 factorial. Internally two C's you can arrange them in 2 factorial. Similarities are the 2 factorial. So this is the answer for the two C's come together. So here the concept is whenever the things are come together, if you observe, immediately you can take them as the one unit. Then remaining all are different. So here 6 plus 1 7 units will be there. These 7 units I can arrange in 7p 7 by 2 factorial. Why I am written? Since 2 i's are there na, 2 i's exist. So due to that similar things are there 2 factorial. After arranging like 7 factorial by 2 factorial into internally 2 C's in themselves, how many ways I can arrange them? 2 factorial by 2 factorial. Two things are there, 2 factorial. Similar things are there by 2 factorial. That means one way only. Therefore the two C's come together arrangements are 7 factorial by 2 factorial. Next bit. The two i's do not come together. Do not come together means what I told you. Immediately separate them. Those two i's are there na, these two i's separate them. If you separate them, remaining how many things are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things are there. First you can arrange these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. How many ways you can arrange them in general? 6 factorial. Okay, here I am writing simple only. 6 factorial by 2 factorial. Why I am writing this 2 factorial? 6 factorial by 2 factorial. Why I am writing? Since the two C's are there na, so 6 factorial by 2 factorial. Whenever the things not come together means separate them, arrange the rest of the things. By separating two i's, I can get remaining 6 letters, but out of those 6 letters, two C's are similar, so 6 factorial by 2 factorial into work is not completed into. If you arrange 6 letters, then between them and two edges, how many gaps you will get? 7 gaps you will get. You may cross check. Otherwise here listen. Letter 1, here I am writing letter 1, letter 2, letter 3, letter 4, letter 5, letter 6. If I arrange them between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gaps, here one gap, here one gap, 7 gaps you will get. Now in these 7 gaps, what you separate i's, you have to arrange them. So out of these 7 gaps, 2 i's, how many ways you can arrange? 7p2 7p2 by 2 factorial. Don't forget this 2 factorial. Why I am writing 2 factorial? Since 2 i's similar things are there. So this is the value for no 2 i's come together, means the 2 i's do not come together. 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 7p2 by 2 factorial. Okay. So this is the next concept today what we given. Out of the things, all these are the examples today what we discussed now. All these are the examples basing on the if the out of n things, out of the n things, the number of ways of out of n things of which p things are similar. If the similar things are there, this is the formula. If the p similar things are there, n factorial by p factorial. If n things are there, p things are similar things, q things are similar things, then n factorial by p factorial, q factorial, like this. This is the formula. Basing on this formula, today I given examples, and today I will send one assignment also. Try to solve that assignment also. Okay. then only you will be perfect. Okay, so today also we are discussing majorly linear permutations only, but in the first two cases, what are the cases? N different things we given, but in this third case, of course, n things, not different things, few similar things are there. Whenever these similar things are there, same strategy we have to apply and we have to proceed. And two more important points: whenever if you observe things come together, if you observe that word, immediately we have to taken them as the one unit. And next, whenever no two things come together means separate those things, arrange the rest of the things, then you will get the gaps. In those gaps, what you separate things are there, you have to arrange. Okay, follow the classes carefully and practice the assignment bits. Okay, thank you.